This section is about multi-tenancy management. To use the tenant management function of GeminiDB Redis instance, you need to create accounts on the account management page and set read-only and read-write permissions for each account. For details, we can see Managing Accounts. In the instance list, select an instance and click its name to go to the basic information page. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Accounts. On the displayed page, click Create Account. For example, we can name this account as Account 1. We grant it with read-only permission. And we need to type in the password for this account. Then we can click OK. To verify this account, we can log into the instance and type in the auth command. And we can input a write command. Now it reports the error that command cannot support for your account.